All right, I think we're ready to start this video. We've jibber-jabbered off screen long enough.
Been chopping it up.
And it's cutting into my lunch, so let's do this. It's gonna be the quickest video ever.
Yes.
Welcome back. This is the Nissan Parts CC HQ, and we broadcast worldwide from this 10 by 10 room in Olympia, Washington.
Is this room even 10 by 10?
It's actually...
It's an old coat closet.
This weighs about 11 feet. That weighs about 10 feet, I would say. Yeah. I am noted for my spatial abilities.
I like it. It's like a superpower.
It is.
Yes.
It is. But anyway, we broadcast these videos every Friday, and we talk about new stuff that's happening in the Nissan world, and we occasionally give you guys discount codes.
Occasionally.
Which is why you're here. But we got to make you work for it, so we pad it up a little bit with exciting news, hot takes, new parts, old parts, discontinuations, and you know, we are often imitated but never duplicated. We only have one location. We don't have any sister stores in any other state. So just know that when you place your parts, we're the guys.
We're the real deal.
Yeah, we're not just good looking dudes here, talking heads. We actually process your orders.
We're it.
Yeah.
I have a request for you guys, kind of on the same note of what the vein of things that Tom is going on. If you are on the Facebook or on the gram or anywhere, I don't care where you're at, I don't care if you're at your local Nissan dealership and they tell you something that sounds too good to be true, come talk to me.
Yeah.
Get at us, because we want to know, first off. Second off, we are here to dissolve all the disinformation.
Yes.
I feel like it's once a week now I have to do that and just, you know, clip the wings.
We're the Mythbusters of Nissan Parts.
We are.
So if you got good news or bad news and you're unsure if it's truthful, get in touch with us and we'll figure it out.
Yeah, we'll experiment around and figure it out for you. We'll deep dive.
Let's see what we can do.
So let's get into this content. So we've gotten together and we've trying to come up with some new ideas for you guys. And, you know, we're dealing with back orders. We're dealing with a lot of changes at Nissan. They're slowing some things down for us. And we were like, man, what can we do to keep fresh? You know, we don't want to post up the same things 15 times in a month.
Right.
We like new. We don't like to regurgitate stuff. Sometimes we'll regurgitate stuff. It's just that good. But we've gone down the rabbit hole of parts kits. And I tasked Tom to come up with some parts kits. I came up with a few, but Tom's a heavy hitter here. And, you know, we're here to help you guys out. What would you say about parts kits? Parts kits,
the intention of parts kits is to make it easier for you guys to get your parts ordered in one click.
Yeah.
There's these kits that we're putting together. There's, I don't know, some of them have 10 parts, some of them have 30 parts.
Yeah. And,
you know, for each part, if you have to look it up yourself, it could take you ages to the point where you're just like, you know, forget it. I'll just put new nuts on there. I don't need studs. So these kits are intended to make it easier for you guys. One-click shopping saves you a bunch of time from bouncing around the web or our site.
Yeah.
And
takes the guesswork out of it too.
Yeah.
Because a lot of people, if you haven't tore your motor down or, you know, tore into your fuel system or whatever it might be, you might have no idea that whoozy what's it's in there.
Right.
And then you get it all tore apart. Now you're in trouble because guess what? I got to order this part, or, you know, it's unobtainable because it's on back order or something like that.
Right. And now your part's apart in your driveway and stuff gets lost.
Yeah. So let's jump right in. First kit. This one is for the S13, S14, S15, the SR20DE and the DET motors. Intake manifold to cylinder head hardware kit. Obviously, when you're taking a motor apart at that age, it's a really good idea to replace all that hardware. It's going to reduce the chance that you have more problems down the road. And you're probably going to lose some of that stuff anyway. So Next on the list
is the exhaust manifold hardware kit for the S13 SR20DET.
Yeah, 2-cylinder head, and any kit that omits later model motors, we are probably already working on a kit and we just haven't gotten that far yet, so keep that in mind. Fuel injector seal kit. Now this is a basic fuel injector seal kit, so obviously it comes with insulator, the O-rings for the injector, 2 different kits, S13, SR20DE, and DET. That kit also fits the S13, S14, KA24DE. And then we have a kit for the S14, S15, SR20 motors, both of them. And then fuel injector and rail kit. It's called the XL kit. This thing comes with the whole thing. It's, I mean, you know, minus injectors in the rail, but it's got, you know, it's got the injector caps, the little rubber insulators, the O-rings. I mean, it's a big kit. You see it here, all new hardware. That's a cool kit. That's probably my favorite kit, which I didn't realize it was gonna be my favorite kit. So I started taking pictures and everything. I was like, man, this is cool. What you got?
The last one for now is the valve cover hardware kit for S13 SR20DET. It looks like we have put together 4 options on that one.
Four different kits right now. Yeah.
So option A is the basic kit with silver nuts, and then there's the XL kit with silver nuts, which also includes the valve cover, tube seals, and center seals.
Yeah, so it's that little small. It's like a tube seal, but it's right in the center of the valve cover where that stud is.
Yep.
And then jumping over to the next kit, you've got the same kits, but basically they come with black hardware for the studs. I mean, I think that can make a big difference in the way your valve cover looks. Mm-hmm. Silver nuts versus the black ones, and I mean, it just depends on what you want. Now, S14, S15 guys, hold your horses. We didn't forget about you. The later model S14s and the S15s have a bolt setup, not studs. And then the earlier model S14 motor is sort of the same kit as this, but there's some different quantities. We are trying to sort those out, which we are working on, and hopefully we'll have that resolved by next week. So hang tight. If you need one of those kits, just let us know and we'll, let you know as soon as we have it put together. But that's what we have put together right now.
So far, yeah. We've got more kits coming, or we're putting together more kits. Sourcing hardware from Nissan's other family members that, we can only get through the Infinity channel.
Infinity. We have a really good Infinity dealer close to us, though.
Yeah, they're awesome.
That's great, which I love. It's been a long time since we've had another dealership local to us that we could really rely on to help us out, and
they're good guys.
I doubt they watch our YouTube channel, but if you do,
thank you.
Seth, right? His parts manager's name up there? Seth.
And Pi.
Yes.
Pi's a super help.
Yeah.
And there's other guys there too, but Pi and Seth we deal with mostly.
So we've got a ton more kits. Do you have any you want to mention right now?
Ooh,
maybe a little sneak peek.
Just trim clip kits.
Okay.
Spoiler fasteners and seal kits.
Yep.
That's it. I mean, I'm just like lost in kits in my head. There's just
there's tons of kits already in my office, and we have a bunch in transit. Like it's extensive. We're going in on this. Let's get to this week's 10% off coupon code. Mm-hmm. I don't know if you guys have seen it. I don't know if you follow Nissan's corporate channels on YouTube or follow the news with what they're doing on a weekly basis, but they have released a couple videos highlighting the new E-Force system. It's like a braking suspension system that's going to be coming out on the new Nissan Ariya, and it's called E-Force. Now, this is a quote from Nissan. I hope you're all ready for this. Mm-hmm. The E-Force system is a spiritual offspring of the GTR Atessa ETS torque split system and the Nissan Patrol Intelligent 4x4 system. So, you GTR guys who...
Spiritual offspring.
Yeah.
Okay.
I really liked it. They really pushed it to the marketing company or the marketing group that deals with this stuff, and they were like, it's spiritual offspring. I love it.
I think they just went to Bing Translate and just translated that. And I did look this up because it's, we were talking about it, because in the video they show there's like a glass filled with liquid in a cup holder, and somebody slams on the brakes and it sloshes, and then with this E-force, it just kind of gently moves. So I looked at a couple of videos to see what it was about, and I think what it is they use all 4 brakes and electric motors, and they alternate back and forth in order to
reduce the
reduce the spiritual offspringing.
No, you want to increase the spiritual offspring.
Yes.
So check that out if you're a technology nerd. I thought it was really cool, but I'll put links for the videos down below, and you guys can go check those out. But yeah, it's been a busy week. We've gotten a lot done. You want to give them a little sneak peek of what you got on the table there?
Yeah.
That has nothing to do with what we've talked about in this video, and we're not even going to go into detail. We're just going to show you.
These just got checked in before as I was walking
in the room. Yeah.
And I said, okay, good.
Yeah.
Because I love badges. You see that?
That's all you get.
This is all you're getting for right now.
That's it.
Because we need content for next week.
Yeah. So we're here to, you know, moisten your gums a little bit.
Look at this.
Yeah, that's
How sexy is that? Let me see if I can just get the light on it. And then finally, who doesn't like underhood stickers?
Yeah, just the little things.
Yes, they make the big difference.
They do. You pop that hood and you go, man, I am glad I did that. Didn't know I needed to do that, but I did it, and thank goodness.
You can just put that on and just...
Chef's kiss. Yeah, so you have just watched our best video ever, and we hope you have a great weekend.
Yeah, and if you don't think it's our best video ever, leave a comment and tell us how we can do better.
Yeah. Go back to that 10% off code real quick, and I'm just going to tell you guys how to spell that.
Yeah.
It's E4ORCE. And I might even do you guys a favor. I might even put it on the screen since I didn't mention it 2 minutes ago. I'm not even going to edit this out. We don't edit much.
No.
We just give you guys a raw video. This is us.
This is it.
Yeah.
Enjoy your Friday.
Check out the outro too. Don't leave. Watch the outro. It's weird. It's weird. Sometimes you do weird stuff.
I'm probably not in it then, because I don't think I've done anything weird today.
No. Nobody's in it.
All right.
We got some new stuff in the works
artsy.
for you guys.
It's getting creative.
It's dark. It's me turning the lights off.
All right.
Bye.